Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset control center on Apple Watch. So if you want to reset your control center back to the default on your Apple Watch, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do to reset control center on your Apple Watch is go ahead and grab your iPhone. So just go ahead, grab your iPhone. On the iPhone, locate and click on the Watch app. Now scroll down the Watch app page and then you should see control center. Click on it. Now to reset your control center, you should say reset control center. Click on it. Then a pop-up that says reset customization and restore control center default on your Apple Watch. Click on reset control center. Then if you go back to your Apple Watch control center, then your control center will be reset back to the default. And then you are good. So that is basically how to reset Apple Watch control center. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.